Alright, in this video we're going to see how to personalize cold emails in bulk using AI with just your prospect's LinkedIn URL. Alright, so let's get started. So this is a lead list that I have. Let's say I just have one lead for now, which is my own LinkedIn URL and my own name. But then you can have any number of leads in this particular Google Sheets or any Google Sheets that you must be using. We just need to have LinkedIn URL. We could do the same even if you have a website URL of the company that you're trying to reach out to, or even maybe combine both. All right, so I have this sheet right here. So the first step you have to do is come here to BigBonda and sign up for an account in BigBonda. It is free to get started. You get basic scraping abilities. So I'm using BigBonda for it, and yes, I am the creator of BigBonda. So when you sign up for an account, this is how your BigBonda dashboard would look like. And in the dashboard, you can go to the template section and scroll down. And here you're going to see a personalized emails template, right? So this uses LinkedIn profile to personalize emails. So now we're just going to download this template. All right. So once you've downloaded a template, come back to N8N and create an empty workflow, start from scratch. All right, and over here, we're just going to come to this three dots and we're going to import from file. Yes, we're going to import from file, and we are going to import the template that we have just downloaded from BigBonda. So what it does is that this node right here, the Google Sheets node, this would get all the rows in the Google Sheet, which is this one that I already have. So this would get the rows from the Google Sheet, and this section right here would give requests to BigBonda to scrape results and create a research summary of the prospect. And these three nodes, you could play around with the prompts to match your offer and your customer. So these would just create three-step emails. And in the last one, it would the last node would just go about and update our Google Sheets rows with whatever data that the agents have returned. So this is how it works. So once you configure your Google Sheets, you can just start the workflow. So we're just going to hit save, and we're just going to execute the workflow. All right, as you can see, the workflow has started executing. It will take some time. So for every lead, I would say it would take about 2 minutes to 3 minutes for the AI to generate the report summary and everything. That is what is available in the free version, but then you can still try it out. You can test out your workflows. So and when you're importing the workflows, you don't have to configure your API keys. You don't have to configure anything else apart from setting up your Google Sheets to bring in the leads, the LinkedIn profile URLs, and also to update the Google Sheets. So that is mostly all the work you will be doing. And yes, and we just wait for the agent to scrape the profile and give us a research summary. All right, so as you can see, the workflow has been executed, and let's just come back to our Google Sheets and let's see what the agent has come back with. Okay, I have given my own LinkedIn to. So the agent has, as you can see, it has completed executing. So let's go back to the Google Sheets and see what the agent has come up with. So it wrote an email. It wrote 3 steps email for anyone to reach out to me, and also wrote a report about me. So let's see. So here is the first step of the email. Here's what BigBonda does and how my business could benefit. And so it has personalized emails, and apart from that, it also generates a prospect intelligent report. So it has all the details about me for anyone to know what I'm doing, about my company, about my recent posts, what posts I made, my engagement patterns, my roles and education, and professional insights like my identity, my expertise, current focus. So basically everything that you would need to automate personalizing emails. So that's pretty much it. And I've just tested with one lead. You could try adding more leads to your sheet and try it out. And yep, that's pretty much it. And if you want access to BigBonda, I drop a link in the description so you can go and try it out. And if you want anything custom to be built, just hit me up, and yep. Peace.